Sitting quietly, listening to the soothing voices of nearby trees, birds, and rustling grasses, calms us and deepens our appreciation for the life around us. Sound map is an excellent activity for instilling greater awareness of one's surroundings. To play, give each person a piece of paper with an X marked in the center. Tell the participants that the paper is a sound map and that the X represents where each player is sitting. When a player hears a sound, he makes the mark on the paper to represent the sound. The location of the mark should indicate the direction and distance of the sound from the player's seat. Tell players not to draw a detailed picture for each sound, but to make just a simple mark. For example, a few wavy lines could represent a gust of wind, or a musical note could indicate a bird song. Making simple marks keeps the focus on listening rather than on drawing. Encourage the players to close their eyes while listening for sounds. To help them increase their hearing ability, ask them to make fox ears by cupping their hands behind their ears. To hear a variety of natural sounds, choose an area that encompasses several habitats such as a meadow, stream, and forest. After about 4 to 10 minutes, depending on your child's age and interest level, you can share your sound map with a friend.
A hummingbird?
You might ask them the following questions. What sounds were the most familiar to you? What sound had you never heard before? What sound did you like best? Now that you've watched your first sharing nature activity, go outside and try it with your child. The complete instructions for this activity, as well as all others, can be downloaded in each of the course sections. Have fun.